Yo guys, how much street food do you think we can eat in Abuja with $100? We are currently in Gwarinpa and we're going to be trying to eat street food around Abuja with 150,000 naira.
And you actually think that we can actually finish $100 on street food? But let's see.
I think we can finish it. What do you think? Let us know in the comments.
Let's know in the comment section.
Let's go.
Very good, man. I'm sorry. Roasted corn is suffering.
What is she saying?
It is suffering. Who is this?
See this beauty. Come on.
Currently at Ram Market, where they have guinea fowl, suya, oh their suya.
Beautiful stuff.
Oga.
Go don't see. There you go, sir.
Okay.
We'll get to plantain. How much? We out here.
Yeah.
I don't think
You don't know
fast.
this.
This is for my life. Ew.
But shot.